A delectable filling is wrapped inside wonton wrappers. Then they are steamed until translucent and mouth-watering. It's so easy, shockingly delicious. It will become your family's new favorite recipe. In a bowl, crack in the eggs. Add the salt. Whisk. In a pan over medium heat, add the oil and the eggs. Scramble into small pieces and completely cook through. Cool down to room temperature. In a large mixing bowl, add in the Chinese chives, carrots, and sesame oil. The sesame oil will prevent the chives and carrots from releasing too much liquid. You can also replace it with other cooking oil. Then followed by the scrambled eggs, oyster sauce, salt, and white pepper. Mix together. Lay a wonton wrapper flat. You can use both round or square wonton wrappers. Dumpling wrappers will do as well. Brush water around the edges. Place about a tablespoon of the filling in the center. Gather all the corners and edges. Pinch and seal together. And we're gonna do the same with the rest. Place the chive dumplings on a bamboo steamer. In a large steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil. Transfer the bamboo steamer inside, cover the lid, and steam until completely cooked through for about 6 minutes. And carefully remove the bamboo steamer. New Tang Dynasty Television recently hosted the Miss NTD pageant. It inspires people to rediscover beauty. They put a focus on the inner beauty, morality, righteousness, propriety, benevolence, and faithfulness. I totally agree that the inner beauty is the most important. Just like these little chive dumplings, beautiful and tasty on both the inside and outside. Enjoy! I have always believed that good food doesn't have to be complicated. Home cooking should be easy and you should enjoy it. Just like this one, it is super easy and at the same time really tasty. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!